Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to teach you how the LinkedIn will be helpful for applying into jobs and internship. Okay, let me take you into the LinkedIn portal. So I'm just clicking LinkedIn and I'm just going inside the web page. Since I've already signed in, so it directly taking to the page over it. Otherwise, you have to sign in and you have to go to the page. So this will be the home page. You will find the tabs over here. Let's say home, network, jobs, messaging, notification. So LinkedIn is a professional platform where every recruiter instantly posts their job requirements and internship requirement into the LinkedIn jobs. Okay. So let me guide you how to apply, how to find jobs, how to find an internship, and how to do other things inside this portal. Let me guide you here. So please click the jobs section here. I'm going to click the job section. So this will take automatically to the main page of the LinkedIn jobs. Okay. So as of now, the page is displaying since I have all the activities in the LinkedIn in terms of assistant professor. So it is all recommending all kind of professor jobs. Okay. You could see here part-time assistant professor and so many things are there. Okay. So what we have to do is uh, uh, I'm just going to click show all. So once I click show all the job recommendations that is by LinkedIn automatically to me in terms of assistant professor job. But for the student who are searching the jobs, they could just go here and search AI engineer. Let me type like AI engineer jobs. Okay. So then the LinkedIn will show you all kind of AI engineer roles over here. Okay. But we could filter the jobs which is listed here. Okay, the date posted, because old posts will be displayed here. So I'm just going to give a past week or past 24 hours. Okay, so let me show you sample of past 24 hours. I'm just going to click show results. Automatically it will show 5 hours ago, 23 hours ago, 4 hours ago, and 8 hours ago. So these kind of things will come. So if you wanted to apply for let's say lead system and engineer MLOps, so this will give you what is the method and who can you reach out, and also about the jobs, responsibilities, and everything over here. So for making the user to easy apply, there is a easy apply button here. So once you click, then it will take you to the EPAM systems and applying all these things. When you click next, it automatically take you to the EPAM website, right? So now I'm going to Discord. So this is for the last 24 hours update, and also there are a lot of filters are given here. So the company or the location, employment type, part-time, full-time, and experience level that we could do, and also location also it's possible here, but now it's not listing. But based on that, location also could be given to that. Okay, let me take you to the main page again. AI engineer, and yeah, yes. Sometimes the location experience also will be there. When you click entry level, freshers could apply. You could show and gather all kind of things over it. So we could easily find the jobs over here, and instant update will come where we could apply our one page resume or upload our resume to the company, and company will directly ask us. So in case of internship, let us type, sorry, I have typed it on the internet. Let me type like internship. Okay, so all kind of internships also listed here. So here it's for location for Coimbatore greater zone. So once we can click like Bangalore, the LinkedIn will shortlist a kind of intern from the Bangalore location where we could apply and do that. But one thing we have to do, one important aspect in the LinkedIn is LinkedIn will automatically recommend you for jobs as well as internship. But what we have to do is we have to go to the home page in the LinkedIn. Just click the home page LinkedIn, and I have updated all my credentials of certificates and skills here. Okay, let's see my education, license, and certification. So we have to update all our certifications here. So once we update the certification and also skills that we have, automatically LinkedIn will recommend that kind of jobs or internship to our ID automatically as an alert. So there are different platforms. Also, other method for searching jobs and internship is direct feed. So once we go here and search like internship in the direct homepage, we will get all kind of the jobs, internships, also post which is related to internship. There also we have a option to send it. So one thing I just wanted to say, LinkedIn will not charge any amount from the student for applying into job or applying into internship. So the company will pay for the student as a stipend for internship, and the company will pay for you a salary for a jobs that we work. So we recommend, it's a LinkedIn is a professional platform. It is not only not to share our innovations or our articles or our connection. It is also about how LinkedIn jobs is going to help the college going students to get into the placements. So I hope this video will be useful for the student who are started using LinkedIn. Thank you.